In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform your photos using the blur tool in Adobe Express to create beautiful artistic effects, or simply to help your text stand out against a busy background. This process is incredibly straightforward and allows you to control the depth and intensity of your imagery with just a few clicks. First, you need to have your project open and make sure you have the specific photo you want to edit already placed on your canvas. Start by clicking directly on the image to select it. Once it is highlighted, you will notice a Properties menu appear on the left side of your screen containing various editing tools. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Adjustments and click on it to expand your choices. Now, if you scroll down to the very bottom of the adjustment list, you will find the blur slider. This is where the magic happens. To apply the effect, simply click on the circular handle of the slider and drag it toward the right side. As you move the slider, you will see the image on your canvas soften and lose its sharp edges in real time. If you have a specific vision in mind and want total precision, you can also click on the numerical box next to the slider and type in a specific value to get the exact amount of blur you need for your design. This effect is perfect for creating dreamlike landscapes or for blurring out distracting elements in a portrait. You can experiment with subtle blurs for a gentle focus, or go for a heavy blur to turn your photo into a colorful abstract background. It is a fantastic way to add professional polish to your social media posts or marketing materials without needing complex software. Adobe Express makes these creative adjustments intuitive so you can focus on your overall vision. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found these tips helpful for your next project. Be sure to explore all the other features available. Happy designing!